2017 to 2018 CHR.
2018 Toyota CHR. What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to replace this USB port right here. You want to get a plastic pry bar interior tool. I will link one below. These are no scratch tools, so they won't scratch your dash or nothing. They're like $5 and you get like a whole kit of them. They're on Amazon. I'll link them below. Check that out. You could probably use a tiny flathead like this, or maybe like a butter knife at home, but you're more than likely going to scratch your interior if you do that. If you can safely move your shifter backwards, put the e-brake on, and then, make sure the car's off, make sure you don't roll down a hill. That'll give you more space to work with, but you don't have to do that. Okay guys, take your pry bar interior tool on this bent side, and we're going to go right in the top between the USB port and the center console, and just push it right in between there like this, and then try to just kind of pry backwards, and it should pop out like that. You might need to do it a couple times if it's your first time. Now there's a generous amount of wiring, thank you Toyota for that, and then what we're going to do is just very carefully push that thumb tab button right there on the connector and pull the connector backwards. Don't pull by the wires because you'll break the wires, then you'll have another big set of issues on your hand. And also be ready because this wire harness is going to want to shoot back into the dash, and if you don't hold it and secure it, it's going to go back in there, and then you're going to have a fun time trying to fish it out or taking your dash apart. So here's the button right here, just go and push that, just kind of do that right there. Now real quick, I'm going to take my pry bar tool and just stick it in the hole, just like that, to prevent it from shooting back into the dash. Here's the old USB aux port right here. Looks like it utilizes all 9 pins. The part, these may be on Amazon, or I'll link a Toyota parts dealer either.
As of this time, these are only available on Toyota parts dealer websites or at a dealership. Amazon, Walmart doesn't have them right now. There's also an alternative part number you could use when you're looking it up. Fits the 17 to 18 CHR, basically every trim model. I'll link it all below. Now when you get your new one, unwrap it. All you got to do is just plug it in and then push it back in place, and you're good to go. There's no programming or whatever, no radio reset. You just plug it in. So let's go ahead and go over there and plug it in. Hold on to my connector here and get this guy out. Alright, and just plug it in. You should hear that clicking noise that locks it in place, and then you just push it in with the proper orientation with the USB symbol on top. Just gently put this in place, push it in, and boom, you're all done. That's all you got to do. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.